Here's 5 quick art tips for beginners. Number 1, don't compare your own work with other people's work, it'll just make you feel insecure. Number 2, leave your comfort zone. Use other materials you've never used before. Number 3, study different art styles to see what you like. Number 4, don't just draw the same things over and over again. Try different stuff that you've never drawn before. Number 5, journey, not destination. Enjoy the ride, this is going to take a long time. Please like, share and subscribe for more art tips as well as other art videos for beginners. Thanks for watching. Did you know I have a website? It's got my comics, illustrations and my blog, which is updated weekly. It also has free downloadable resources for beginners like perspective grids, tutorials on things like value, as well as my own custom brush packs. Did I mention they're free? They're free! Check it out in the description and sign up to my email address so you can be the first ones to see the updates.